In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep a Google Meet meeting open for anyone to join on a desktop. Whether you're hosting an open forum, a casual hangout, or an ongoing meeting that needs accessibility when you're not around, it's crucial to ensure that participants can join without a hitch. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Meet. You'll either go directly to meet.google.com, or you can use your Google Calendar to access an existing event. Once you're logged in using your Google account, you'll be on the main screen of Google Meet, where you can either join or create a meeting. If you're setting up a new meeting, click on the New Meeting button to get started. This option allows you to get a meeting link that you can share with others. It's essential to have this link ready, as it will be the key for participants to access the meeting. After you've set up the meeting, the system will provide you with a unique meeting URL. It's a good idea to copy this link and have it on hand for the next step. Now, let's make sure that anyone with this link can join the meeting. Head over to Google Calendar if your meeting is already scheduled there. Click on your meeting event and then hit the Edit button. Here, ensure that the guest permissions are set correctly. You'll typically find options like Modify Event, Invite Others, and See Guest List. For keeping your meeting open, it might be helpful to check that Invite Others is enabled. This setting allows new participants to join the meeting using the link without needing additional permissions. If you're worried about security while keeping the meeting open, consider using Google's built-in features to manage participants. You can mute participants or remove them if necessary during the meeting. Moreover, using the host controls, you can prevent participants from sharing their screens or sending messages during the session. While this setup facilitates ease of access, it's important to remind invitees that sharing the meeting link publicly can sometimes lead to uninvited guests. Encourage them to only distribute the link privately if you want to maintain some level of control over who enters the meeting. Finally, once everything is set, simply start the meeting from your Google Meet homepage or through Google Calendar. As people join, you'll notice their entries in real time. This streamlined process ensures anyone with the link can become part of your meeting as intended, without any obstacles. That's it for today's guide on keeping a Google Meet meeting open for anyone to join on a desktop. Following these steps ensures that your meetings remain accessible, providing a smooth experience for all participants. Thanks for watching and happy conferencing.